Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Chainlink, link, from crypto.com to your Arculus wallet in 2025. This process is essential for securing your assets or managing your portfolio, and I'll walk you through it step by step to make it super easy. First off, ensure you have both your crypto.com account and Arculus wallet set up and verified. You'll need some link in your crypto.com wallet to get started, so let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the crypto.com app or website and log in to your account. Head over to the Wallets section and select your Chainlink, link, holdings. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw or Send option next to your link balance. Crypto.com might prompt you to choose the network. Make sure it's set to Ethereum, as Chainlink is an ERC20 token. Step 3. In your Arculus wallet app, navigate to the Receive section. Select Chainlink or the appropriate token, and copy the wallet address provided. Double-check that it's the correct address to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 4. Back in crypto.com, paste the Arculus wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of link you want to transfer, and review any associated fees. Crypto.com might charge a small network fee. Step 5. Hit the Confirm button and follow any additional security steps, like two-factor authentication. Once submitted, the transaction will process on the blockchain, which could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour in 2025, depending on network traffic. A quick tip: always verify the wallet address and keep an eye on gas fees, as Ethereum networks can be volatile. That's it. You've successfully moved your Chainlink to a more secure spot. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there in the crypto world.